Hello children, welcome to Gokulam. This is for preschool learners and kindergarten students. How to hold a pencil correctly and develop their fine motor skill. This is revision of the strokes. Already we learned semicircle. This is semicircle. This is reverse stroke. Ideal waves. Let's draw semicircle. A hare hopping, a hare hopping. Semicircle. This is semicircle, half circle or semicircle. This is ideal waves, waves, ideal waves, waves, ideal waves. An aeroplane in the sky diving. Aeroplane diving in the sky. An aeroplane diving in the sky. Aeroplane diving. The stroke. Reverse stroke. Reverse waves. 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 This one, up and down, up and down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Snake in the grass, like this, scrolling down. Semicircle, same semicircle, reverse. This is aeroplane diving, like this, reverse stroke, waves, up and down stroke. Semicircle, reverse waves, aeroplane diving, reverse waves, up and down the stroke. Snake scrolling in the grass. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and share this video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.